If you don't have a one sheet ready to send out to promote your music, then you have to watch this video. People have to know immediately who you are. So if you're Sabrina Petrini, boom, put that in big letters right across the top of the page. People need to see clearly who you are. So bam, try to have as close up a picture as possible. People will want to know what you've accomplished. So bam, wrap the accomplishments on the right-hand side of the picture. People will also need to know a little bit about who you are. So bam, include a tight bio that includes your name, your style, and what you're doing next. If you guys want to brush up on your bio writing skills, click on this video, which is linked in the description below. Now, people will need to get a hold of you, so bam, include a call to action, such as your own website address or your manager's address. In this one sheet, testimonials were used as social proof. Bam, here's one from NPR, and here's another one from the Huffington Post. People also like to see when other people are supporting you. So bam, if you have sponsorships, be sure to include their logos. And people, of course, will want to hear your music. So bam, include links to your music, which, by the way, are clickable if you save your one sheet in a PDF document. Two of the best books on the music industry are available on Amazon. Don't forget to brush up on your bio writing skills by clicking on this video or the one that is linked in the description below. My name is Bobby Borg. Thanks for watching, you guys. Peace.